Hello there. If you're watching this, it's because you're looking for some help to get your resume uploaded to WordPress, not just as a file, but as something that appears directly on a page by itself. So this is actually going to be, it's going to require a few steps, but I think all in all, it will eventually seem pretty simple. So we can either add a new page over here, or we can click on Pages and click Add a New Page. And then once this page loads up, I'm simply going to title it Resume because I'd like it to appear on the top menu on my home screen. And I'm just going to use a blank page simply because I only want my resume on there. I'm not going to add any narrative text. You can obviously do that if you want. But then when you go to add your resume, we actually have to upload it through Google Drive first. And so you'll simply do a file upload, and hopefully your computer will be a bit more organized than mine. My resume is right here. So this is now uploaded to Google Drive, and when I click on it, you'll see that there's 3 dots up here in the right-hand corner. Go ahead and click those and then open in a new window. And although it looks exactly the same as it did before, now when you click on the 3 dots, same position, there's going to be an option that says Embed Item. So go ahead and click on that and just copy at this point this HTML code. And then you can return back to your blog, and you're going to go ahead and add a block, which you can do either over here or over here. And what you're going to look for is custom HTML. So you can just find that by searching for custom. Click on that, and it's going to give you the option to write HTML. You simply are going to copy, or you're simply going to paste that code that you had just copied into that bar. And let's hit preview to make sure it works. And there you'll see your resume is up and running in a full PDF preview. Of course, my screen looks super wide because I'm on a large desktop. However, on my actual website, it would look more like something like this, a full screen option for whoever visits. So hopefully this is helpful. I guess I'll show you one more thing to do just to make sure this is exactly how you want it to be. So once we publish this page, let's go ahead and add it to our menu. And so we'll exit out of this and head back to the home screen. And then we're going to go down to Appearance, click Menus, and it's going to ask you to add things to your menu. So we're working with our main menu right now. And this is all stuff I was working on for a draft earlier, so don't worry about any of that, but go ahead and click Add Items. And then that resume page should pop up. So once you click that, you'll see the resume is going to show up over here. It's kind of off screen right now, but I'll click Save Changes. And then once we go back and let's preview our site, or let's just visit the site, you'll see that the resume option is now up here. So someone visits your site, clicks on resume, and the full PDF will show up for them to either view in a full screen, or at this point they would be able to download it as well and contact you if they deem necessary. But hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions